Hello, darling, and welcome to my channel. This is Planning with Toya B, and I'm LaToya. Here we talk about planning from the page and bringing it to real life. If this is something that might interest you, hit that subscribe button, as I would love to have you be a part of the fam. Then click that notification bell so you know when the next time I upload. Now let's get started.
Well, hello everybody, and welcome to this week. I'm super excited. This week is MK310, but more importantly, it's my birthday! It's my birthday week! So I'm super excited about that. Now this is why I chose this one. It's a bit more pink, a bit more grown and sexy. That's the sampler. This is DD 4C. Then these is AO17. These are the clip arts. And then this is the vertical boxes, the two samples. If you're interested in certain parts of the video, the timestamps are in the description. And make sure if this is adding any value and helping you in any way to like and subscribe below. Thanks. Okay, so I'm gonna rip that little teeny tiny piece off right there. And this is the stash book. I'm gonna put any extras over there on it. Now we're gonna go from left to right, staying inside the lines of that box. Now I'm gonna go ahead and white out, when I get my white out right. White out all the headers, because I'm gonna cover them all up anyway, and I don't want them to bleed through. And now I'm gonna get these little pictures to go. Oopsie, I forgot to do the bubbles. Oh crap, I missed one. Hold on, let me get that. Okay, now I am going to do my cleaning set. I used to do the Monday through Sunday, but then I would never do it on those days. So I just prefer now to do it as a checklist. It's so much easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this big box, because this is where I put my quote for the week, my inspirational quote. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put these dots down from a 2-call. Wait, it's 2, yeah, put it down. Oh, that's crooked. Okay, don't look at it, Toya, don't look at it. Now I'm gonna get the double header line, the double lined header, and put that up, because since it is a double line, oh, that's crooked too. Then I won't have to worry about it. Now I'm trying to find the right box. Okay, there we go. It's family time, so let's put in our memory keeping section. I should have used the navy for this, but it's my birthday, so I don't care. I'm gonna keep it more pinky. Although that's not pink, y'all. Let me be honest. That is not pink. That's like a mauve. And it's really, really stinking pretty. So I just put down my 2-call and my cleaning, so I can do that. Now I'm going to put down my tracker for my health. And my Monday through Friday goes here so that I can do my budget. And now I'm going to put the this week sticker down. And I'm going to look for my calculator sticker, which I just found. I'll put that bad boy down, because that's for the budget. So all of that information on that one goes onto my health. And then I grab that header, that double lined header again, and I'm putting the don't forget. Now I'm gonna go grab a header off the top of that sticker with the DD, and I'm gonna put it above here. Y'all know I hate stuff being crooked. So I can have my quote, and I ordered these words custom, so you can't find quotes, you have to custom order it. Now let's decorate. Birthday cake, and I need some balloons. Oh, I should have left those balloons right there. I didn't. Let me go ahead and put my initials for everybody on there. There's JJ and Rashad. Let me grab Tim and Tim. And then I put this little banner. I really don't like that banner. I should have left them doggone balloons down there, but that's a story for another day. So let's get family time and put that in. And instead of using the regular boxes, we're gonna use these little boxes. Which in hindsight, I probably shouldn't have used, but oh well, it is what it is now. So I'm just putting down the pink and the orange, and I'm gonna skip and save that second blue for like another header for a topic for something, and then to put something more down there in case I need to split up topics. So this is the entire left side with everything in place. On to the right side. So once again, we're going to put the bottom border from one end of the box to the next, and then rip that bad boy up and put it up at the top once I get it straight. Now I'm going to pull my ruler and line it up and get my pink pen and put that down so that I have that in place, because now I am going to take a header and put it on that side once I get it straight. And I'm going to use the other header that I ripped from earlier for the to-call for my other side of my header. And now I'm going to put my Bible study on that side, and I'm going to go grab my weigh in. So much doggone stuff. There it is. The weigh in, little weight, the little, you know. Now I'm going to go do all of the dates. Wait, I need to write it down so I don't forget where the dates go. I wrote it at the top and realized it was off camera, so I just wrote it again. But yeah, y'all, Saturday is my birthday. I don't plan on doing nothing but chill and praise the Lord and pass the cornbread. That's all I want to do. I'm going to go hide somewhere in my house from all the little people and just chill. So I'm putting on my dates. And I'm not even really going to hide. To be perfectly honest, shoot, I might get a hotel room and have me a spa day. Yes. Because for me, New Year's is my birthday is my true New Year's. That's when I really celebrate New Year's. So now I'm gonna put down that box I picked up earlier and my little cake. Gotta decorate my day, y'all. That's right. How many of y'all are April babies? Yes, diamonds are a girl's best friend. A fella's too, but you know, ladies, girl's best friend. Yes. Put them doggone balloons down that I should have put down on the other side, but it is what it is. So now I'm going to go ahead and get these scallions or scallops, I forget what she calls them, and put my little weekend down. And these scallions are going to be my little mood checker to see how I'm feeling throughout the course of the week. And then it's time for the little school box. I can see where my son is, what other letter or special word he has to know that week. And then all of the little boxes throughout the course of the week. And then his special classes he takes. Put all that back. And then we're going to put down little people's bath days. I'm going to use the little asterisks now. To put down little people's bath days throughout the course of the week. And that's pretty much it. I'm trying to think. Oh yeah, I gotta do all my fancy stuff. The garbage day, the trash day, my planning day, my grocery day, my pay my bills day. And that's it, y'all. I'm just gonna do my hairdo so I'll be cute for my birthday. Then I'm going to put these two down. These are, again, Rhonda. Stickers by Rhonda. And I love these stickers. There's a coupon below for 10% off. So that's it.
Remember, you are exactly where you need to be today. Bye-bye now. If you'd like to see more, please click the links here and here. Thanks again.